Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by confronting cost. The Amex Platinum carries a $95 annual fee, and you must justify that spend with real, recurring benefits. Add up credits you will actually use and compare them to $95 to find your break-even. Consider incidental airline credits, lounge access value, and hotel perks as cash-equivalent savings. If your typical travel behavior cannot redeem at least $95 in combined value from credits, lounge access, and elite benefits, consider a lower fee alternative. When using Amex membership rewards with Hilton, transfers typically go at a 1:2 ratio, meaning one Mr. Point becomes 2 Hilton Honors points after transfer. That conversion can look generous, but actual value depends on Hilton award pricing, which floats by property and date. Before transferring, compare the cash rate to the points rate. If points are worth under about 0.4 to 0.6 cents each, you may lose value. Only transfer when a specific award or promotion makes the math clearly better. Use elite benefits strategically. Enroll to link your Amex Platinum to Hilton Honors and claim gold status for complimentary breakfast at most brands, room upgrades, and bonus points. When redeeming points, remember Hilton Honors Awards offer a 5th night free on 5-night redemptions, effectively lowering per-night cost when applicable. Always price the stay both ways. Cash versus points with elite benefits factored in and include incidental credits, upgrade likelihood, and breakfast value when deciding whether to use points or pay cash.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.